Have you ever closed your eyes and really listened to your heartbeat? That steady, gentle rhythm. Your heart is working for you every single second of your life. But what if I told you, with just a few simple changes tomorrow, you could help your heart heal and thrive? Stick with me for the next 3 minutes because today I'm sharing 7 foods that can start to transform your heart health immediately. Foods backed by science and wrapped in stories of hope and renewal. Let's dive right in. First up, berries, blueberries, strawberries, raspberries. These little gems are packed with antioxidants that help reduce inflammation and protect your heart's lining. Imagine your arteries getting a gentle, natural cleanse just by enjoying a bowl of berries with breakfast. Next, walnuts. Just a handful each day can lower your bad cholesterol, help your blood vessels relax, and keep your heart's rhythm steady. Walnuts are like tiny shields. Each bite is a promise to your future self. Third, leafy greens. Spinach, kale, Swiss chard. These greens are loaded with nitrates, which help keep blood pressure in check. Think of your blood flowing smoothly, like a river after a gentle rain, all thanks to a salad or a smoothie. Number 4, oats. A humble bowl of oatmeal in the morning delivers fiber that sweeps cholesterol out of your system. It's like giving your arteries a gentle morning hug every single day. Fifth, avocado. Creamy, delicious, rich in healthy fats. Avocados lower your bad cholesterol and raise the good. It's a simple change that can have a powerful effect, and who doesn't love avocado toast, right? Sixth, dark chocolate. Yes, you heard me. In moderation, dark chocolate is packed with flavonoids that support heart health and reduce stress. A little square after dinner is not just a treat, but a gift to your heart. And finally, olive oil. The foundation of Mediterranean health. Just a drizzle on your salad or veggies helps fight inflammation, keeps cholesterol in check, and protects your arteries. I know making changes can feel overwhelming, but your heart is waiting for your next step. Picture yourself waking up tomorrow and welcoming these 7 foods into your life. Small choices, big differences. If you've made it this far, I want to hear from you. Which of these foods are you excited to try first? Or maybe you already love some of them. Drop a comment below and let's inspire each other. Your next heartbeat is a new beginning. Take care of your heart. It's the only one you have. Thanks for being here with me. Until next time, eat well, live fully, and stay heart strong.